Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Here on the HBAR chart, as explained in previous videos, we had a potential 5-wave move to the upside. So we're looking for an overall bullish scenario, at least we are considering it. Yeah? We're considering it. It needs to prove itself. And I explained that before because the move up was only a diagonal and a pretty messy one. I do not trust diagonals. Anyway, I don't trust diagonals that are moving in an expanding, broadening wedge. No, not expanding, ascending, broadening wedge. So yeah, I don't necessarily trust them. Nevertheless, we are tracking here, at least with a question mark, a bullish scenario. At best, yeah, this rally that we had here yesterday that was, I count as a B wave and with a projection to come down in a C wave of wave 2. So in this setup, in this long setup, price has already touched the support area. So it's not necessarily a surprise that we've seen a reaction, but the reaction was only corrective in 3 waves. And therefore, at the moment, I consider this here at best as a B wave with a C wave still to come. Or potentially this could even turn into a triangle B wave, but it's too early to confirm that. Now, price could surely already rally if it needs to, because it already touched the support area. However, I would primarily expect lower prices, and I would expect eventually a break below the trend line here. If we get a break below the trend line, it would be a confirmation that the C wave is running, or maybe something more bearish that we're going to talk about in a minute, because I don't trust this setup. Okay, it needs to prove itself. How can it do that? It can do that by coming down in a 3-wave correction, by holding the 78.6 retracement, and by then running above the wave 1 high at 6.1 cents. That's how it would prove itself. That's when we can look at higher for the next larger degree 5-wave pattern. But yeah, I count that as at the moment as a B wave in the bullish scenario. The bearish case, I think I accidentally deleted that here while talking. There you go. In the bearish scenario, this was just a wave 4 rally. And we're coming down and preparing for a 5th wave breakdown. This would get confirmed below 4.4 cents. I see this here as relatively likely, just because I don't like the choppy move to the upside. But we won't really know if the yellow wave count is really going to play out until we get below 4.4 cents. A break below 4.4 cents would be a break of this particular setup that started on the 10th of June. And it would most likely also lead to a break of the 4 cent level, which was, this 10th of June low. And because if it breaks below that, we are likely also going to see a break below the January lows. And then we're talking about a break below 3.5 cents, and it's going to lose a lot of bullish potential also long term. But yeah, it would be important for considering the bullish scenario further for it to react to a fib level at 4.4 cents or higher. Not a high probability setup, I would say, and the yellow wave count is certainly a likely one here, coming down in potentially 5 waves of the lows, of the highs here to make that 5th wave down. So at the moment, what I can tell you, I haven't got any clear sign that a lasting low has been established. Why do I not have that? Very simple, because the move up was only as a diagonal structure, and also here locally, the move up that started on Sunday was only corrective. So it's too early to confirm a low in place. And until that's the case, we have to consider lower prices still. Yeah, that's my update about HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.